Hello, I'm Dean of Enrollment Management and Student Services, Amy Bennis-Kimball. Please join us for the Admissions Open House on Wednesday, July 23rd from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. in Davidow Hall. During the open house, students and family can learn about SCC's programs of study, advising, financial aid, scholarships, the Educational Opportunity Fund, and Mighty Oaks Athletics. Speak with an academic advisor, meet the faculty, staff, and coaches, learn about SCC's nursing programs during a 1-hour information session, tour the campus, watch live glass demonstrations, and visit the state-of-the-art Glass Education Center. Information will be provided in both English and Spanish. Our fall semester starts September 2nd with on-campus and online classes to allow students maximum flexibility in creating course schedules. We hope to meet you at the open house on July 23rd. Enjoy the rest of your summer.